Hey there and welcome back to Woodworker Express. In this video, the first video of this series, we will be going over and explaining the difference between the three types of cabinets that are available: custom, semi-custom, and stock. As a woodworking professional with over 16 years of cabinet making experience, I know that renovating your kitchen can be an overwhelming task for even a professional. That is why woodworker.express.com has put together a video series designed to help walk you through this entire process from start to finish. Now, let's start with the stock cabinets. Stock cabinets are cabinets that are basic, modular, mass-produced cabinets. You will usually find these at home improvement stores in cardboard boxes, ready to take home and install. You could also find them from online retailers that ship the cabinets directly to your door. Stock cabinets do come in standard widths starting at 9 inches wide, going up to 48 inches wide in 3-inch increments. That means you can go 9 inch, you can get a 12 inch, you can get a 15 inch, 18 inch, 21 inch, and continuing all the way up. Now, most likely the stock cabinets will not fit the entire span of your kitchen. This is when a filler piece comes in handy. A filler is just that. It's a flat piece of wood that fills the gaps between the cabinet and the wall. All you have to do is cut the filler piece to size and put it right between. This will leave your cabinets looking much cleaner and give them the built-in look. Now, let's talk about the height and depth of these cabinets. Stock cabinets have a standard depth of 24 inches for the base and a height of 34.5 inches. Now, for the upper cabinets, they do come in a standard 12-inch depth. That means you won't be able to find 15-inch or 18-inch, although they do have a range of heights starting as low as 12 inches high, going up to 30, 36, possibly 42 inches for your upper cabinet to accommodate microwaves underneath or hoods, things like that. The benefit of stock cabinets is the price. Stock cabinets will be more affordable and have a very quick delivery time. If stock cabinets is your choice, you can easily upgrade them with storage options such as trash pullouts, drawer inserts, pull-out or roll-out drawers, and tons of different base organizers. The best part is you can save quite a bit of money adding these finishing touches yourself. We offer a complete line of kitchen solutions at woodworkerexpress.com, and our knowledgeable customer service team is more than happy to assist you with finding just the right solution for your kitchen. I will also be going into much greater detail about kitchen solutions later on in this video series. And be sure to check out our next video, which I will be explaining the difference between semi-custom and custom cabinets. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer and try to help you out. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to be notified when we have a new video that comes out. And don't forget, visit woodworkerexpress.com for all of your woodworking needs. I will see you next video.